Hello, it's Sammi Gummies, and actually Little Lilies, and I'm with Cole, Monica, Mommy, Daddy, Grandma Terry, and Papa Terry, and we're roasting marshmallows, and it's so fun, and we made s'mores, and I don't know what this is.
That's a bullfrog.
It's really weird. There's really some fire.
What'd you do earlier?
And we have Monica, everyone, and we have a pool over there, and we have a barbecue, the moon is out, it's past my bedtime, and I'm really like just touching this light. If I rub it, I touch all of them and they all turned on, and this looks pretty, and they totally decorated the fire. The fire looks awesome. we're gonna go move to a different rock. I'm gonna talk about a new video.
Alright, go for it.
And now we're gonna have a new recorder. You're gonna be the recorder. You're gonna record with me.
Am I gonna record with you?
Yeah.
Okay.